Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful bicycles step by step. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw the bicycle pedals. This time, I will draw the triangle of a bicycle. Now, I'm going to draw another triangle next to this one, just like this. Next, I'm going to draw the bicycle wheel. I will draw the second wheel of the bicycle, like this. This is the main pedal. This is a bicycle seat. Now, I'm going to draw the bicycle handle. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I've given it a green color. This time I'm on a bicycle. Wow, that's great! This time I am using pink color in the bicycle. Blue color. I am giving this color between the two wheels of the bicycle, like this. I will give it a red color. And after that, peach color. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!